project uses the Cricut specialty holographic party foil. Grab the link below to the Design Space project and let's get started. Now that your moons and bats are ready to go, all I did was tie the moons to some branches that I put in a vase, and then I'm going to hot glue the bats right where we scored them in the middle to different branches so the bats look like they're sitting on the branches. And that's how I'm going to finish up this great project. Hey, don't forget to sign up for our newsletter to get access to our free, huge project library. Tons of craft projects, tutorials, patterns, all for free. And in your first newsletter, you'll get invited to our chat and craft sessions, where we help you get your craft projects started and help you find time to finish them. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe.